Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Esther the Esthi. I'm Esther, and today we're going to be talking about one of my favorite subjects, which is DIY at home remedies. Woohoo! So exciting! Let's go ahead and get started. Most of the products I'm going to be talking about today, you have in your home. There might be a few things depending on you. There might be a few things that you might have to go grab at the grocery store, but these are all easily accessible items. And the first thing we're going to talk about is cucumber. I know this isn't cucumber. I ate all of mine because I forgot I was going to use it in this video. But let's just pretend that this squash is cucumber. So cucumber naturally has a lot of anti-inflammatory properties within its cute little vegetable. And so when you apply it to your eyes, that can be puffy, dry, a little dark colored there. Lay them on your eyes. It's going to help reduce the puffiness. It's also going to help hydrate the skin because it has a lot of water inside the cucumber. So that is great if your eyes are looking a little tired. Use some cucumber. If you don't have cucumber like I do right now, by all means, you can use chamomile. So chamomile also has naturally anti-inflammatory properties that your skin can topically absorb. So if you have chamomile tea bags, you can go ahead, brew yourself a cup of tea, sip it, enjoy it, and then instead of tossing out those tea bags, throw them in the refrigerator and let them cool down. They're good to stay in the fridge for about 2 days before you need to toss them. And you can get your cold, because cold is always soothing when you have tired and puffy eyes, and you can put your cucumbers on your closed eyes, and that will help reduce the puffiness. It also smells great, and it's going to soothe and cool your eyes, which is a wonderful thing to use when it's your self-care day and you're putting on your skincare mask. Chamomile tea is great. Another item that you can use for your eyes to help reduce puffiness is a spoon. So this is a great thing to use in a pinch if you haven't gotten around to getting a jade roller, because if you throw this in the fridge, it's going to be cold, and that coldness is wonderful, especially with the shape of the spoon, to just kind of roll. So we're doing a rolling motion like that from the inside of your eye to the outside. Doing the rolling motion in this way will help increase circulation, so it'll stop pulling here and it'll move out, but then the coolness is going to reduce any puffiness and inflammation that you might have, and it's going to make tired eyes instantly look refreshed. You not only can do it on the lower half, but you can go ahead and do it on the upper half, and you just lay it like this, and again you start from the inside corner going out. You don't apply, well, you don't apply a lot of pressure. It's just nice and light. Okay, let's move away from the eyes now. The next thing that I'm going to recommend is for acne. So if you have a volcano on your face that's wanting to erupt with a bunch of pus, or there might not be pus, but it's really, really big, it's huge, it hurts, it's red, don't pick it, because that's going to make it either spread and you'll break out a lot more, or you're going to cause trauma to the skin so that when it finally actually goes away, it's not actually going to go away, because you're either going to have tissue loss, so then you'll have a little indent scar, or you're going to have discoloration, so you're always going to have that reminder of the acne that you had. So don't pick it. Instead, grab an ice cube, woohoo, ice, and go ahead and lay it on that affected area. Man, mine is melting quickly. You don't want to freeze out the skin. So really, like about a minute at a time, take it off, give it a little break, put it back on, and that's gonna be great to help reduce the inflammation that the bacteria is causing, and it's going to help speed up the healing process of getting rid of that acne. Okay, those are all of the things that I can safely recommend as an esthetician that you can use at home. Just things you got laying around that you can use at home. I'm sure there's some other things that I don't know about. So if you know them, go ahead and leave them in a comment below because I would love to learn them. Let's move on to my nevers. These are going to be 3 things that I absolutely wish you would never put on your skin. Again, take it with a grain of salt because I want you to do you. And if it's something that you love and you want to do, by all means, go ahead, but let's do it well informed. So these are my 3 nevers that I wish you would never put on your skin, and I'm going to go ahead and explain why. So the first one is lemon. Lemon is highly acidic, and your skin is acidic, but it's not highly acidic. So the natural pH level of your skin ranges between 4.5 and 5.5. It varies per individual, but it's always within that range. A healthy skin's pH level is 4.5 to 5.5. And when you alter it, you compromise your skin's natural barrier function, so it no longer is able to do its main job, which is fight off infection. So that means if you're prone to breakouts, you're gonna break out a lot. Or if you're not prone to breakouts, but you're changing that pH balance and your skin's not able to function properly, you're gonna break out more. Or have some other type of infection, because there are a lot of skin infections out there and we just wanna avoid them. So let's not use lemon. If you're using lemon because you have a lot of pigmentation concerns and uneven skin tone that you wanna correct, I highly recommend getting a good vitamin C serum because that not only is gonna help even out the skin tone, but it's also full of lots of antioxidants that's going to help slow down signs of aging. Yay, that's a little extra plus there. The next item we're gonna be talking about is baking soda. Again, that plays into the pH of your skin because remember, it's acidic, not very acidic, but it's acidic. And baking soda is very, very alkaline. And when you're sticking that on your skin, you are throwing it all out of whack and you're compromising your skin's ability to fight off infection. When that is out of whack, you more than likely have more acne that shows up. So let's just not use the baking soda. I'm not really too sure why people use baking soda. So let's just not use baking soda. The next item is honey. I know, honey is so good, tastes delicious, but it's not great for your skin in the form that you would find at the grocery store because honey has a lot of bacteria inside of it. And when you're using it from the grocery store, there's still bacteria inside that honey, and then you're applying it to your skin, which is not good because it's just giving your skin more work to do, more infection to try to fight off. Really bad if you've already compromised the pH level and then you've slapped that honey on, not so great. Professional skincare products do use honey inside their products, not all of them, but it's there. But it's honey that's been highly treated to remove all of that bacteria and just leave the beneficial aspects of honey. So if you're in love with honey and you want to use it on your skin, grab a skincare product that has it already inside of it so that you know that you're not risking the health of your skin. But again, This is my opinion as to those 3 main kitchen items that you don't want to use on your skin. But if that's what you want to do, by all means, go ahead, you do you, but I'd rather you be able to do it well informed. So that's it. Those are the only 3 nevers that I'm going to talk about today. If you have any other suggestions down below, whether things that you don't think should go on the skin or other great DIYs that you've heard of, let me know, because I know I don't know it all when it comes to the DIY at home products that are good for you. But I'd love to hear from you if you know of any. Again, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and subscribe, because I'd love to have you a part of my community, and I can't wait to see you next week. Bye.